Okay, so in this video, this should be a real quick video. We're just going to be talking about when we have a system of equations that has no solution. So, can we look at our system up here? We have our two equations. We have y equals 2x plus 4. We have y equals 2x plus 1. And you should notice something similar between these two equations. So I want you to look at the slope. Look at the number in front of x. And you should see that in both these cases, our slope is going to be 2. However, our b value, our y-intercept, is going to be different. So before you even look at the graph, block the graph, I want you to think about that in your head. How would that work if two things are going up by the same amount, but they're starting at different points? So you can think about that in your life. If you make the same amount of money as someone every single day, and you guys are starting at different amounts of money, would you guys ever have the same amount of money? And you should say no. Every single day, the amount you started at, the distance between, so if I started at $1,000 and my friend started $2,000 and make $20 a day, we're always going to have a $1,000 difference between the amount of money we have. And that's going to be the same case when we're talking about this system of equations. So we're starting at different points, but we're going up at the same value. And when you're thinking about it, the word parallel should come to mind when you think about the graph. And that's exactly what's going to happen. The green graph for 2x plus 1 is going to go up like this. The red graph is going to be like this. And they're just going to keep on going up at the same amount. But they're never going to gain distance on each other. They're always going to be the same distance away. They're going to be 3 away. So they never intersect. And if you remember the whole solution thing, when we have a solution for a system of equations, that's when the 2 points on a graph intersect. But in this case, the lines are going to be parallel forever, and therefore they'll never intersect. And therefore, we have no solution. So if you're ever putting your equations in the slope-intercept form, and you see that they have the same slope but different y-intercepts, immediately know that you're going to have no solution.